In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Notion. Leaving a workspace can be a useful step if you're cleaning up your Notion account or simply parting ways with a project. Rest assured, I'll guide you through this process smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Notion. You'll need to log into your account, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once logged in, you'll notice the familiar layout with your sidebar prominently displayed on the left side of the screen. This sidebar not only provides access to your various pages and documents, but also houses your workspace name, which you'll see listed there. Now, to proceed with leaving a workspace, direct your attention to the right side of your workspace name. You'll see three small dots aligned vertically, also known as an ellipsis or simply the Options menu. This is your gateway to a variety of workspace settings. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear with different options related to the management and organization of your workspace. It's a nifty feature that helps you tailor your Notion experience to your needs. In this drop-down menu, you will find the option labeled Leave Workspace. This is the option that you'll need to click to remove yourself from the current workspace. Before proceeding with this selection, it's important to consider a few things. Leaving a workspace means you will no longer have access to the documents and pages within it, so it's a good idea to ensure that you have backed up or exported any necessary information you might need from this workspace before you leave it. After you've confirmed that leaving the workspace is indeed the best course of action, go ahead and click on Leave Workspace. This action prompts a confirmation dialog to appear on your screen. The confirmation is an important step as it ensures you do not mistakenly leave a workspace without intending to do so. The dialog will ask you to confirm your decision to exit the workspace. Take a moment to read through it and, once you're certain, confirm the action. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you have successfully removed yourself from a Notion workspace. Remember, while this process is straightforward, it's always good to make sure you won't need access to any of the articles or documents in the workspace before you leave it permanently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your Notion experience that much smoother. Enjoy exploring the rest of your personal or collaborative spaces on Notion, and feel free to reach out for more tutorials in the future.